Hi guys, today I am going to suggest you a budget PC for 2026 when the RAM prices are high. Let's start. Go to Google Chrome, go to Amazon, search for RTX 2060. This is a budget graphics card. It will serve you well for most of the games. 2060 Super, which costs about 19,000 to the 20,000 rupees. Okay. Here we have RTX 3050 for almost the same price. 19,409. So better to go with that than RTX 2060. Yeah, because that's more value for money. And then we need a CPU. I suggest at least i5 12400F. So i4 12400F costs about 13,499, but i5 14400F costs about 14,299. So only a small difference is there. So I suggest you go with i5 14400F. So i5 14400F and 3050 graphics card. Okay, the i5 14400 is nearly 15,000 and 3650 is nearly 20,000. So 20 plus 15 is 35,000 rupees. Now about the RAM, here's the tricky part. So I'm going to ask AI to suggest me DDR4 RAM and a motherboard, compatible motherboard, because DDR5 is very expensive now. Suggest me motherboard for DDR4, sorry, for 14400F and DDR4 RAM. Okay. Mm, Best value for money. B760 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4. Okay, we'll search for B760 motherboard. B760 DDR4 motherboard. Okay. B760H DDR4 motherboard. Okay, it costs about 10,000 rupees. So add all of. Wait, you need the RAM also. Okay. RAM. DDR4 RAM 32 gigabyte. Okay. Corsair Vengeance 32 bit 32 GB is 27,000. Okay. So 27,000 plus motherboard 10,000 is 37,000 plus CPU of 15,000 plus RTX 2060 of 20,000. How much is that? Let me just calculate. Calculator. Okay, so 20,000 for the graphic card plus 10,000 for the motherboard plus 15,000 for the CPU. RAM is 27,000. Okay, 27,000 for the RAM, 28,000. I'll round it off. Total it is 73,000. Yeah, it is very hard to build a PC because even if you use DDR4 RAM also, it is costing you 27,000. When I bought DDR4 RAM for 32 GB, it was only 5,000. Can you believe it? 5,000 rupees. Now it's 27,000. If you just cut the price of the RAM, suppose minus 28,000, it's only 45,000. See what to do, guys? What to do? Okay, then bye.